don't even know what it is. They can't. They're on the back of this. Push them the other way. Go. Go. Push in. They're on the back wall already. Go. Let's go. Enemies on the back. Cover us. Cover us. Men. I'm going to cross out of the room. Can I?
About right here.
Nope, let's go. Ready? On my back?
Yep.
Friendly. Clear in here. Clear. Yep. You got guys on your corner! Hey, hotel! In there on the corner!
They moved on hotel, up and around, guys, up and around that.
You see the woods in between the two buildings? I watched them push there.
Oh, they pushed on that building.
This window?
Yeah. And there, but right across.
Oh, yep, you got that? You got that? I'm gonna light him up too. Ready? Go.
Hey guys in the hotel. You have hotel inside secure with that room to the left?
Hey!
Get him. Get down, stay low.
We're here. Hold him out.
Bring me on your back.
How do you like it?
Where's that coming from? Where's that coming from? Do you know where that's coming from? Yeah, he shot too many at one time though. Can't be a sniper. There you go. Yep. I'm on your back. Right there at our 12.
Poke around the wall. Poke around the wall.
Look, I'm going to point him out with the laser. You see him?
Or
Look.
7 o'clock, we've got contact this way as well.
Look, I got my laser right on him.
I can't
See?
I see it.
The black, he's wearing black. He's moving. Yep. I'll show you a prime spot. Go behind this wall. They're pushing up from meth. Pine trees too, look. I'm gonna point them out with the laser. Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See a tree?
Pop shot of
Go for it. Look, look, you got one guy pushing left. If you go right down the middle, go for it. I'll lay some cover in that wall. Go right. Woo! Teamwork! Wait, I got motion. Yep, watch it.
We got to snipe.
Nothing?
Leg shots count, dude. Leg shots count. Thank you.
The other guy's on the back of the duck house. Let's go, let's go! Bring it up, we gotta clear up here.
I got no movement, lots of voices. Come on, Sherpa Jeff. We got a clear path. Let's bring it in. Where are we supposed to bring it? Let's do it now. Let's get there.
No, we gotta wait till 4 o'clock.
No, we can get it there. Yep, we get it there and we hold it down. Yeah, actually, it is. Whatever you want, John. Tell us what you want to do. Let's go. Dude, keep bringing it through.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, buddy.
I got left. Clear in this room. Clear in this room. Clear. We got.
Ready? You guys ready? Ready? Everybody get to your defensive position, we're good to go. We've done it left.
Let the games begin.
Nice. Dude, look at the guys in the fucking Jeep. Oh! Right under the car, dude. Direct hit. Nice job, gentlemen. Nice job, dude. Objective. What's he doing?
Just watch.
Look. There's a dummy. It's a dummy grenade.
Look at him go. Everybody fucking watching. What's going on here?
Fucking dummy grenade.
Isn't the alarm going off?
Yep, that's it. That is game.